So on the last lesson, I taught you how to create a table by linking a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into my new database using Microsoft Access. Now that I have a table, I like to create a query. So first, let's go to Create. Let's go to Query Design. I had named the table Excel. Let's go ahead and hit Add. You can stretch this out by holding your left mouse button, and with your right one, you can kind of go up and down the way you like. I like to do this because I like to see all the fields. Also like to select all my fields. So let's go ahead and double click on this, 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 and this. Okay, everything's here now. Also like to head totals. What this does is it will group everything by, and it will eliminate any duplicates. Okay. Now let's see if this works. Hit run. Your entire table is now a query. Let's go ahead and save this. Where it says query 1, right click, hit save. You can name it whatever you like. I like query 1. Let's hit OK, and we are good. Now let's have a little fun with this, and I'm going to show you why a query is so important. There are 49 fields here, right? Out of the 49, I like to see all the fields that have the word avenue. Okay, so let's go and highlight avenue. Here, right click on it, hit copy. Let's go to our design view. On our street name, where it says criteria, go ahead and paste it. I like to use Control V, V as in Victor. You have to put an asterisk sign, an asterisk symbol. Basically what that is, it's an indicator that tells me, that gives me anything that's before or after the word avenue. Show me any field that has the word avenue. So shift the number 8, the little star symbol. Do the same for here. And now hit run. Out of the 49 fields, 17 of them have the word avenue.